What's going on, guys? It's Justin from Push and Profit. Hope you're having a beautiful day today. We're filming on my bed. So the reason I'm sharing this video on my bed is because I want to show you guys the most minimalist trading setup ever, right? So a few weeks ago, I showed you guys a minimalist trading setup that I had where I had my two monitors. I showed you guys what I use, etc. right? Now, I want to talk about how 90% of my trades in the last week have been on this bed. Now, you guys may be wondering, okay, well, if you're trading on this bed, what laptop are you using, right? Well, the truth is I'm not even using a laptop. 90% of my trades have been on my phone, right? And I don't know if you guys can see this. I did over $2,000 for this week alone on my phone. And this isn't because I have like a large $100,000 trading account where 1% is already $2,000, right? It made skillful trades on my phone, right? If I just pull it up right here, over 21% for the week. So, not just because I'm trading with a large account. Again, I don't know if you guys can see my phone. I'll put some screenshots on here if you guys can't see it. So, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what bed you're using. It doesn't matter if you have a piece of foam, a water mattress, you're sleeping on the clouds, or you have, one of those beds like I do with the little remote control. That's why you guys see me sitting upwards. But really, it's just, what I use and what I look at when I'm trading on my phone. And, the thing is, a lot of people think that when it comes to trading, you need to have multiple monitors and you need to see everything going on. And yeah, that is helpful as a trader, but you really don't need all that extra stuff. At the end of the day, those are tools, and tools do help get jobs done more efficiently, but again, it doesn't mean that the job cannot be done. So in this video, I'm going to walk through everything I use to trade on my bed on my phone, which allowed me to make $2,000 for this week. So let's go ahead and break that down. So when it comes to trading on the phone, one of the first questions that you're probably going to ask is, which broker do I use to trade? But I want to be here to set a friendly reminder that at the end of the day, whichever brokerage firm I use to trade on my phone, it does not guarantee that it's going to be the best brokerage firm for you to trade on the phone. However, based off my experience and personal opinion, I've been trading for the last 6 years. I've used several different brokerages. I've used the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform, which I think by far they're one of the best platforms. They have 3 separate apps for mobile, but none of them are comparable to the Webull platform. The Webull platform, on mobile has one of the best charting I've ever seen on a brokerage for the phone, and they offer a lot of features, right? That is just not comparable to the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. I've used the Tastyworks platform. I've used Shirt Trader, which doesn't even exist anymore, and of course Robinhood, which I don't even need to explain why I don't use them, right? So really, I just start my day right before the market opens. So at 9:20, I literally just hop on the phone. I was already on the phone. I was probably on Facebook or Instagram already. I hop on the phone and I look for stocks that are oversold, right? Because you could simply go to the screener tab. You could make a watch list and set wherever parameters you have or whatever you want to look for. And I look for stocks that are oversold and I wait for confirmation, right? Confirmation is something I talk about more in my Push Your Profit program, which the link is in the description of this video, which we'll talk about more later. But as far as trading, I look for things that are oversold, or simply go to the calendar tab on the Webull platform and I look for stocks that have a earnings coming up, and I wait for stocks that have a bad earnings. Right now, I have a specific video where I talk about this, but to kind of summarize it in this video, right? I wait for stocks that have a bad earnings because every reaction is an overreaction in the stock market. And so when stocks have a bad earnings, I wait for that confirmation. And again, always wait for the confirmation. And I swoop up some shares and I, buy low. And then as the, stock is coming back up from that earnings, I end up selling later on. So, really when it comes to trading, I'm doing day trades and I'm also doing swing trades. But typically for the day trades on my phone, when I wake up at 9:20, the day pretty much ends for me at 10 o'clock. So by just 1 hour pretty much, I'm already done with the market, right? Now, when it comes to the, Webull platform, they also offer, news articles, which is really great to kind of keep up with the current trends of what's going on in the market, because overall, you need to know what's going on with the overall market, which is why also on the Webull platform, I look at all the major indexes, right? I look at the S&P 500, I look at the Russell 2000, and I also look at the NASDAQ, just to get an overall perspective of what's going on with the market, because you have to know, is tech, is the tech industry, going down? Is, value stocks going up? You have to know, right? So this is why I really, love the Webull platform. You could trade crypto, you could trade, stocks, you could trade options. I mean, there's a lot of that the Webull platform has to offer, which, by the way, if you're interested in using the Webull platform, they do have a promotion going on right now. I don't know how long this is going to last, so really take advantage of it. But if you you know, click the link in the description below, you deposit $5, you'll get 2 free stocks, right? And the stocks could range all the way up to $2,000. Now, when I first signed up with Webull, I got a free share of Google, which was $1,200. I made a video about it, and now Google is worth $2,700. So just for signing up for Webull, you know, I got that free share of Google, which initially got me interested in using Webull. But after seeing everything that the stock has, or that the platform has to offer, it really made me consolidate my accounts and leave the TD Ameritrade platform and then hop into Webull. Now, again, I still have some funds in the TD Ameritrade platform, simply just because I still like the customer service that TD Ameritrade offers. But as far as like the trading experience on your mobile device, by far Webull platform as of now is the best that, you know, has to offer. But again, you know, it's all going to be relative to whatever you see value in. So hopefully this video just provided you a little bit of a perspective and insight on how I trade on my phone, one of the most minimalist trading setups ever, because I'm not even using a laptop. Of course, you know, when trades start getting, you know, a little complicated, I need to average down and things get a little serious, I may hop into my desk and use, you know, my laptop with my external monitor. But at the end of the day, you guys could clearly see that I'm a testament that you don't need all these fancy screens and, you know, whatever, right? You could simply do this from the fingertips of your, your fingertips on your bed on a phone. Hopefully, you know, this video provided some value. Make sure to hit that like button. Share this video with anyone else or any trading friends that might see value in this video as well. And with that being said, guys, hope you're having a beautiful day. It's Justin from Push and Profit, and I'll see you on the next video.